Just sneeze. Oh, it tickles so bad. Oh God, just hanging there. Oh, can I sneeze? Oh God. Oh, my nose is so stuffed up now. These false starts are just killing me. And it just keeps coming and going, and then somebody asked me to try and make them really high pitched again, so we'll try that. Oh God, it feels so good to sneeze. Ow. Oh God. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, got my eyes watering. My nose tickling. Oh. Oh. Oh, it still tickles. Oh, God. Oh, my nose tickles. Ooh, Oh, let me blow my nose real quick. Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh my God. Oh, this dust allergies just is killing my nose. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it, but the fan just came back on. Which of course means more sneezing. Or at least more tickles in my nose. Oh, it's building slowly. Oh God, these false starts are so awful. Oh, that tickle's still there. Oh, let me see if I can sneeze one more time. And then blow my nose again. Oh God. I don't think I can get another one out now. Oh God, let me blow my nose. Oh man. Oh, it just feels so tickly. I can't sneeze.